Hello guys, it's me again. We have a new friend on our side. And his name is Mikey.
Hello, I'm Mikey. How are you doing today? I think I'm gonna eat cake all day at the beach.
Yeah, Mikey. I think you're probably gonna eat cake all day. Maybe.
Guys, I think I'm gonna do something. Maybe probably eat lots of cake and stuff.
Yeah, Mikey.
Bro, you need to stop.
Well, Mikey, I don't think you can eat too much cake at the beach, okay?
You need to stop.
Well, I'm Mikey, so bye.
Okay, JJ, what do you have? Hello, guys. I'm gonna eat lots of bread at the. Okay. Hello, guys. I might eat lots of bread at the beach. And I'll probably. Maybe, look at stuff in the house. Me and Mikey are gonna look at stuff in the house. And we'll probably go in the water and stuff. That's a great idea. That's a great idea, JJ. We could go in the water and maybe pretend. Oh, I know, said JJ. Maybe we could look out the window. That's a great idea, JJ. Bye. Bye-bye. Bye. Bye, guys. I'll see you again.